Don't forget to subscribe and give me that like. All right, guys. So today, Devin wanted to come out to Canterbury to come play the 125 Bounty tournament, and it's kind of boring. Poker's kind of boring, so I told him that, yo, I'm gonna go in today, and I'm not even going to look at my cards. I'm just gonna play in position and just raise and bet and stuff like that, right? So we busted in 3 hands. So I'm on my way to Mystic. So I'll keep you guys updated, see how I do, right? Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Peace out. Play best bet here. Need 3 of those horseshoe for the bonus. The Mustang or the horsey is the bonus. I mean the wild. That's a play. All right. Finally got into the trophy spin bonus. Come on, trophies, big ones.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, you cannot fill him in the game, sir.
Oh, okay. I don't care. We got the fucking bonus here. Let's go. Hell yeah, we have a bonus round this time. Mustang Fever. $2 bonus. Sorry guys, I didn't get this little red one because I'm a little scared, but here it goes. Little red. $10 bet. Lion head. Tiki fire.
Get something?
It's small and win.
Somebody just hit a big one on here a
Come on.
while ago.
On this one?
Yeah.
Wow. Come on, let's get the fireballs. Come on. Wow. Second one. Let's go. Come on. Fireballs. Oh no. Fireballs. Big ones. Come on. Come on. Big fireballs. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. $205.